We're on our way to the cruise port.
Welcome aboard, guys.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard, guys.
Welcome to Carnival Spirit, folks. Yeah. You know your muster station? Yes.
Muster Station B.
So we have to go and check in at the muster station
Yeah,
first.
yes, ma'am. Before we go.
Oh, look at this. These are the shops. This is like such a cute little area.
Yeah, I know you mentioned it. Yeah. Didn't you do it right now?
She didn't ask.
Did Mark specifically say no?
Here's the bathroom. Here are the closets. We have 3 of them. Kind of put our stuff in here already. Here's the phone, the desk, the couch that turns into a bed, our bed, TV. Here's our balcony. Here's the view from our balcony.
I don't know. We just went in circles. Put it to the
Hi.
And we're gonna try and get a selfie against the Space Needle with the 3 of us that you can take.
You have your selfie stick.
No, it's in my suitcase somewhere. Okay, can you?
You got the back of Mom's head.
Dad, your head is in the Space Needle.
What was in there that you took the picture of? I
There
didn't
was an
take that
otter
picture.
plane, but I didn't get it.
Dad already saw an otter.
That was when we were in that corner room.
You can keep.
The otter was in the corner room?
When I was on the deck in that corner room.
What is it?
Strawberry soup. Thank you. What are you eating?
Strawberry soup. And it is delicious.
And how many have you had?
This is my second one.
What are you eating?
Warm chocolate melting cake. It has many, many, many calories in it.
Hello everybody, how are we feeling? Who's excited to be on vacation? Oh my gosh, you sound incredible, you look incredible. Welcome aboard everybody. My name is Jake and I am your cruise director. Can I get a big hey Jake? Hey Jake! Hello everyone. Now, We have a lot of guests on board this cruise. We also have a lot of crew on board, 900 crew members that work on this ship from all over the world. In fact, over 60 different countries all over the world. And I come to you all the way from the United States. Who has never been to Alaska before? Yes, almost every single one of you in this room. I know it's a bucket list vacation, and I promise you it's going to be the best vacation ever. There are lots of guests on board as well. Lots of people who have never been on a cruise before, and lots of people who have. So right now I want to know who out there is on their very first cruise ever. Make some noise. Yeah, about 30% of our guests this cruise on their very first cruise ever. Performers. We're going to have some incredible shows for you this cruise here in the Pharaoh's Palace. 4 amazing shows. Who likes 80s music? Tomorrow night we got a great 80s show for you called 80s Pop to the Max. Who likes, let's see, Beach Boys and Jimmy Buffett and UB40 and Kenny Chesney. We have another show called Getaway Island. How about our Billy Joel and Elton John fans? 88 Keys. And how about Bon Jovi, Journey, Queen? We have another show called Epic Rock, and the shows in here are always at 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. every single night. You do not want to miss them. A wonderful, wonderful performance from your playlist cast. And little problem, the love can stand in a way.
Those whales? Yeah, those are whales right there. It's day 2 of our cruise, and I am currently on my way to Soul Play. Soul Play is only something that the Carnival Spirit ship has. I'm just looking where it is. Soul Play is somewhere right there, deck 3, and it's free painting classes. And I hope they have aprons there because I'm wearing a really nice sweater that I bought in Seattle that I don't really want to get paint on. So I'll see you there, and I don't know what I'm making.
Grab an apron, and as well for the activity today I need to pick your favorite between these 2 stencils, so you can ask me and I will handle it for you. We have an anchor here that you can see the example over there, or we have this one saying hope anchors the soul, so you can pick any of those. And as well, make sure you grab a couple of these one, so all the paint that we're gonna have on the tote bag don't go through the other side. So you want my love list? Once again, apron, stencil, and...
How was the whale lecture?
The whale lecture was good. The whales that come to Alaska go to Hawaii, and they take 2 months to go to Hawaii. So they go 2 knots an hour. She didn't tell me how many miles an hour. Or maybe 40? 50 miles.
The whales go 50 miles an hour?
Or 50 miles a day.
50 miles a day.
Yeah. So, and
I was wondering, what do they do when they stop?
They sleep.
They must float and sleep.
they must float and sleep. And then she told us when we're in was it Skagway or Ketchikan, that we'll be able to see the salmon run.
Catch a can.
Yeah, we're going to Creek Street to see that, and we might also be able to see it at Mendenhall too.
Okay.
Yeah, she says it's loaded, just loaded.
Yeah. So.
And that you might see right now.
Just starting right now.
Yeah.
And you might see your bears. and your eagles because of the salmon.
Welcome to the Pharaoh's Palace for our Fun Ashore, Fun Aboard presentation. My name is Jake and I am your cruise director. The gangway location may change throughout the day because otherwise the gangway will be like this steep, all right? We don't want a 90-degree gangway because that wouldn't be very fun to get on or off the ship. So the gangway locations are typically located on deck number 3 midship, deck 2, deck 1, and deck A. I will always make an announcement first thing in the morning when we arrive at 7:15 a.m. Now the announcements will not come inside the staterooms because some people are still sleeping at that time. We don't want to disturb them, but they will go in the hallways, okay? So if you do want to hear for the announcement, you can just crack your door in the morning, or if you're up at the buffet, you'll hear it in all public areas, but it won't come inside the staterooms. I will let you know exactly where the gangway is located in the morning. Throughout the day, like I mentioned, the gangway may change. If and when that does happen, there will be an announcement made either by myself or by the guest services team, letting you know that the gangway will be closing for about 20 to 30 minutes while they relocate it to a different deck, okay? So make sure if you are on a Carnival excursion or a third-party tour, or you have any plans that you need to be outside by a certain time, give yourself plenty of time because when they do close the gangway, it does take about 20 minutes because they gotta get a big forklift outside, they have to lift it up or lower it down to change it to a different deck. So give yourself plenty of time, especially if you're on a tour. But we will make an announcement to let you know when the gangway has closed and when it has reopened and what the new location of it is. Now it's not for all of our ports of call, but for some of them, depending what pier we're at. Sometimes we're at a floating dock, and we don't have to change the location of the gangway because when the tide changes, the dock goes up or down with it. It just depends. Sometimes it is a little different.
One by one, you have one chance to throw 3 axes. Now the best way to do it is you don't want to throw it too hard as it's not going to stick, okay? We've seen it. We also don't want to go too crazy, throw it way over, hit somebody else. Yes, we want to be careful. So it's going to be a nice, easy lob. Throwing it nice and easy. Yes, there we go. Just like that. Oh!
Now, when we roll the dice, if your number comes up, then that is how you will know to take a step forward, okay? So if your number comes up, that's when you take a step forward. You're gonna start when your number comes up by taking a step on the first line, okay? And then, if your number comes up again, you're gonna step on the next line, and so on. Once you step off the mat over here, off of the last line, that will be the winner of our Great Alaska Race. Here we go, let's get started. The first animals to move forward, we have in lane number 2, the seal, 1 step forward. Lane number 4, the bear, 1 step forward. And lane number 5, the husky, 1 step forward. All right, in lane number 4, the bear, 1 step forward. And we have an animal that has a double. We got a double here, we got a double. Which one is it? It is the seal with 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward for the seal. All right. It's very close. We're coming to the end here. Last call for bingo cards. All right, in lane number 6, we have the Whales! And we have another double, Who's it going to? The winner of today's Great Alaska Race is the Seal! Welcome everybody to the Spirit lobby for our captains. Welcome. How has the fun day at sea been so far? We enjoyed it? Yeah, wonderful. Well, happy elegant night. You look fantastic this evening. I see lots of you taking lots of photos. Take lots of photos tonight. Those are some great memories to capture. Now here on the Carnival Spirit, I am Jake. I am your cruise director, coming to you all the way from the beautiful sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And here on board, we've got over 900 team members dedicated to providing you with the best vacation experience ever on this bucket list cruise to Alaska. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. You're in for such a treat. Tomorrow, Tracy here on the fjord, and then in our ports and call as well. Absolutely stunning. But this evening, I am here to introduce you all to the senior officers here on board the ship, the team behind the team, the leaders here on board the senior leadership of the Carnival Spirit. And please help me by giving them a warm welcome, a warm round of applause as I bring them down one by one. It's a great photo opportunity for you as well. The next gentleman is in charge of making sure that all the lights are on all the time. He has the most typical title. It's our Staff Electro-Technical Officer, Francesco. All the electricals, all the lights, everything. The next gentleman is second in command in the engine control room. It's our Staff Chief Engineer, Nicola. In charge of all safety and security, and second in command up on the navigational bridge, we have our Staff Captain, Andrea. And folks, it is now the moment that you have all been waiting for. The reason you are here tonight, the reason we are all here tonight, for the captain, the master of the vessel. Please help me and welcome to the stage, Captain Ettore Bovo.
Thank you for the nice welcome. Thank you, Jake. And welcome on board, ladies and gentlemen. Officially welcome on board. So how was your first 24 hours on board? Do you like the Carnival Spirit? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Well, today was beautiful, and tomorrow is going to be beautiful as well in the marvelous Tracy Arm Fjord. Allow now to introduce to you the rest of the top management of the ship. I'm starting with the person in charge of the entire supervision of the hotel department. From India, the hotel director, Renil Purvilla. The second gentleman that I'm going to introduce is in charge of the entire technical operation of the vessel. From Italy, the chief engineer, Sebastiano Marano. Thank you. Allow me now to have a toast for this marvelous ship, the Carnival Spirit, for our over 900 team members, and for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for choosing Carnival and the Carnival Spirit for your vacation. We will do our best for you to have the best vacation ever, full of rich memories and of course fun. Cheers!
Cheers! Thank you, Captain, and thank you all for being here. Now, folks, we will be downstairs in just a moment's time. If you'd like to grab a photo with any of us or the captain, or ask a question, whatever questions you have for any of our senior officers here, we'll be down there to mix and mingle very shortly. But do enjoy the rest of your elegant night tonight. If you're heading to dinner, enjoy dinner.
So I literally just woke up like 5 minutes ago, and this is what I saw when I opened the window, and this is like the first view we're ever gonna have of Alaska. And this land that I'm gonna show you in a couple seconds is also the island that Sitka is on, but we're not going to Sitka. We're just going to Skagway, Juneau, and Ketchikan.